What's going on guys, this is Kedar here. Today in this video on the latest update on Bed Bath and Beyond BBBY, what it really could mean for investors. This is just going all crazy at this point. For sure the borrow rate is at its all-time high, which means something is gonna happen. Would you roll your dice on this cheap stock? As per the recent news reports, Bed Bath and Beyond BBBY has seen a significant increase in its value over the last few days, with some sources even suggesting over a 68% jump, and this sudden increase in its value is being attributed to its short squeeze. And this short squeeze could occur when the investor who have bet against the stock by borrowing its shares and selling them in its hope of buying them at a lower price, and they are forced to buy those shares to cover their losses as the stock's value is rising. Now, many financial experts are cautioning the investors to be aware of the potential risk associated with the short squeezes, as they can lead to sudden and significant price movements that may not be based on the fundamentals of the company and the long-term prospects. Recently, Bed Bath and Beyond, the retail giant, has been facing some financial difficulties. We are talking about bankruptcy. Bed Bath and Beyond has been struggling to compete with the e-commerce giants such as Amazon and other retailers, while some experts say that company's future looks very uncertain despite the recent stock rally. So, what's really happening with the Bed Bath and Beyond stock, and why does it matters you as an investor? Today in this video we're going to cover all the important details, so watch this video till then, and without further ado, let's jump right into all the important details. Now quickly before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel How To Guys with all the bell notification, and let's get right into all the important details. Okay, so the Bed Bath and Beyond stock is up by 30% today as investor execute a short squeeze, and this short squeeze comes despite the Bed Bath and Beyond warning that it could file for bankruptcy very shortly. And Bed Bath and Beyond released the earnings on January 10th, showing that all those earnings showed mounting losses. So what's really happening with the BBBY? Well, the news of potential bankruptcy had sent the BBBY stock down to 30% on January 5th, the day they announced that. Shares closed that day at $1.69 at the time, and stock had plummeted nearly 90% over the last 12 months. Now though the story is different, the stock is staging a huge rally as a retail investor conduct a short squeeze. And in a news release, Bed Bath & Beyond said that they are having trouble filling its shelves with merchandise and drawing customers to its stores and websites, leading to its financial difficulties, and the retailer is also having trouble refinancing its $1.2 billion in unsecured debt. Well, all this means Bed Bath & Beyond could file for its bankruptcy protection. And why it matters for you? Well, company CEO and other top executives left the company last summer, and Bed Bath & Beyond has undertaken massive layoffs and closed more than 100 stores. And last September, the company dealt with the tragic death of the CFO as well. Yesterday, Bed Bath & Beyond also announced dismal earnings, which showed $393 million loss during the fiscal third quarter, which marked 42% year-over-year increase. And now the Bed Bath net losses are exceeding $1.12 billion for the first 9 months. This is not the first time BBBY stock has been caught in a short squeeze, as it's one of the original meme stocks, but it has been squeezed higher on multiple occasions by retail investor only to fall back to earth. Now at this point, Bed Bath & Beyond looks like a lost cause both as a company and investment. The current rise in sharp price is sure to be a temporary as a retail investor pump and dump in the stock, and with the bankruptcy filing looking increasingly likely, investors should steer clearly of BBBY stock for clearly fear of losing their money. Now this video is not anyway investment advice. Don't fall for the short squeeze value traps. The fundamentals of the company are not so strong, so clearly don't fall for the fear of missing out. This is just one of those pump and dump situation going on here in the BBBY, and looks like also the markets are moving higher in hopes of a bull market for 2023, where most likely beaten down stocks are finding themselves to subject to a short squeeze. And all this is resulting in upward movements that can reverse in a lower red regions in a very hurry. And it's very important to consider the potential risk. Looks like the short squeeze is beyond the moon. So just look at this. The BBBY borrow rate is going in a parabolic path. This is the recent letter I got from Bed Bath and Beyond. For sure the borrow rate is at its all-time high, which means something is is gonna happen. At this point, it's pure bet right now. So what do you think about this? Do let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel How To Guys, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.